Here it is, the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 Low Canary. Signature Travis Scott collab box. Mocha brown Nike logo, premium feel. Let's check the label. WMNS Air Jordan 1 Low GSP. Color, Canary, Racer Blue Light Silver. Size 12.5 US women's, made in China, but quality is key. What do you think about this shoe? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more exciting videos. Goodbye and see you again.